All right, guys, bubble 12 here. We are going to look at responding to different forms of input with our mouse. So we're going to make a simple game that counts how many times we've clicked. So right now I have a 0 on my screen. Every time I click, I want that number to increase by 1. So we are going to need an if statement because our if statement is going to look at if the mouse went down. So we will go into our world and mouse went down, and we're going to do our left button. So if the mouse goes down, we want clicks, which is initialized to 0. We want that number to increase. So to do that, we're going to use our counter pattern. Clicks equals clicks plus 1. So now every time that I click my mouse, my variable of clicks is going to increase by 1. Now, how is this text actually showing up on the screen? It's showing up on the screen because we're saying put my text size to 50, display the value of clicks. So clicks is a variable, so it's grabbing whatever value is associated with clicks. And then I've changed the coordinates a little bit because I'm going to do the challenge. So in the challenge, I have added a little elephant here. So also, if my mouse goes down, I want my sprite to increase each time the mouse is clicked. So the first thing I'm going to have to do is actually put in my, I need to put in, I'm going to call it an animal. And my animal's animation is called happy elephant. So right now, if I run this, and oh man, I just put in variable. My goodness, nothing is showing up. Why is it not showing up? Well, I have to remember to draw my sprites in the draw. So now, there's my elephant. Okay. But my elephant is not getting any bigger every time I click. So where would I need to put that? Well, first of all, for my sprite to get bigger, that means I'm going to be changing the scale, and I only want it to get bigger if my mouse went down. So it needs to be in my if statement. My sprite is called animal, and I'm going to use the counter pattern again. Since my elephant is pretty large to begin with, I'm only going to increase it by a little bit. So animal scale equals animal scale plus 0.02. So now every time I click, my elephant grows till eventually he will be off of the screen because he started out to be pretty big. And that is bubble 12.